Welcome to Winty Towers, my Gold Coast oasis. Do you want to have a look around? As a family, we've renovated and built lots of times, and no matter how much you do it, it's still a bit daunting. We had 4.5 bathrooms to design, and the best time to do that is right at the beginning of the build process. And my wife and I went to the Reece Bathroom Centre, sat down with the consultant, we had the plans, we had images that we wanted to use for inspiration, and it really, really helps the process. One issue we had with the design of this bathroom was the fact that the entry point is on this wall, bang in the middle. There was nothing we could do about that. So we created, for the vanities, a Mr. Winterside and a Mrs. Winterside. Our centrepiece for this master ensuite is the Kadolux Bath. Really rather grand. It's oval, which is very good for the design of the room because it allows easy access to the toilet area there and the shower here. Also adds a little bit of hotel feel luxury. With these two children's bedrooms, we really only had space for one bathroom. But being the real estate agent, I want to try and squeeze an ensuite into each. So when we spoke to Reece Bathrooms, they suggested we went with this En Vivo Neo Vanity. A, because it's very space efficient, which is perfect for these smaller bathrooms. It also looks beautiful, and the sink is countersunk into the worktop, which I think is lovely. I'm now going to talk toilets. I know that sounds horrible, but you know, fact of life. We have chosen the AXA Uno. It's a global design. It's also got this rimless technology, which apparently is really, really hygienic. To keep using space efficiently, we've used the Geberit Amiga inbuilt system. In this bathroom, we've chosen Milli Pure taps. It's called Progressive, and you watch the water flow build up, gets to full hot, stays the same pressure, it turns off like that. The great thing about the Milli Pure range is that you can match all your shower fittings to all your general tapware, so it's perfect. And in here, we've chosen the handheld version because it's just more practical for day-to-day use. Plus, it looks good. Okay, this was a real design challenge with our build, this area. This is the powder room on the living area level, and it's tight for space. There was no real room for a sink in the toilet area, so that meant it had to be out here. So Reece Bathrooms design team to the rescue. They suggested this Alape Scopio sink, which is really cool and a little bit different and solves all our design issues we had. Plus it's paired with the Milli Pure tap again, but this time in gunmetal, so very nice and shiny. But you wait until you see the flush panel in this part of the toilet. It is a great gadget to have. You literally wave in front of it and it flushes, which is very hygienic and it looks very cool.